Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Now we are going to start a course of video editing using TechSmith Camtasia. We will learn it completely. And today we going for our first class. So, friends, we are going to learn it beginning to expert. In this class we are going to learn how we can start Camtasia and the overview of it. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. When you installed the Camtasia, double-click on the software icon. After some loading you will see this screen. For the new project, click on the New Project button. For the screen recording, click on the New Recording button. Or if you want to open your previous project, click on Open Project button. So this is the overview of the Camtasia. This is the track section. We do all out editing in the track section. This is the screen we see all on our changings with the video on this screen. This is the media bin. All the files that we need to use for our project will must be import there. And this is our different editing tabs. To import media, click on the Import Media button, or we also import the file by clicking the plus button. Or we can also import the file by drag and drop. So this is the simple overview of the Camtasia. If you want to learn how the Camtasia, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.